In this video I'm going to make you upgrade your text with a really cool style with noisy effects and really new Premiere Pro updates and effects. So stick with me in this video guys, because hopefully it's going to be helpful for you. So without further ado, let's do it. So the first thing, I'm just gonna make a color matte. So I'm just gonna white like this. I'm just gonna make my text art. So then go to text, pick the color you want. So I'm just gonna select this, black, enter extra bold or bold. So I'm just gonna change the font to Lester's like this, and I think this is good. I'm just gonna go to effects and pick roughen edges to like blur it a little bit. So I'm gonna do like spike it like this. Let me change. We're trying to make it a little bit blurry, so we do fractal influence 0. Okay, we try to make it blurry, like, alright. So the second thing, I'm just going to blend mode, and to get that noisy effect, we're just gonna click dissolve. So we didn't get really much of that noise. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna hit blur, and we try to do this bokeh blur. We drag it and drop it, and as you can see, as long as it gets blurry, we can get that noise effect. Alright, we can do focus blur. Just try to change the position like this, and we can try to, and as you can see, we can get, as long as we put blur in it, we can get more of that noisy effect. And I'm just gonna make another text and write you. So here I'm not going to make like the noise effect. I'm just going to make like blurry, and this is super easy with the new Adobe Premiere Pro effect. Some effect we apply to get that noise, and you can apply it on your text, as you can see. Alright. So I'm just gonna make like text animation from my content creator presets pack. You can find it on the description. So I'm just gonna hit like clean cut, try this effect. So let's see. So the third text effect, and then I'm just gonna make a new text. I don't know, I'm gonna write anything. I'm just going to change it like this. So the second text effect is turbulent displace. You can play with it like this, you can make animation with it. So as you guys can see, it just like disappears, or so you can make animation with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a keyframe here and make another keyframe here. Alright, I'm just going to make it vice versa, like this, and we get this like, that's pretty good. Make it fade out. That's good. I like it. So the next text effect, it's not really text effect, but you can do it with like texture. Let me explain that. So imitate. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to bring it here. So this thing is just picture of texture. You can find it on many websites, and you just write texture picture like that. Put this underneath it, and I'm just trying to make the color of the text like this, blue. So I'm just gonna open window, like this. saturated. I'm trying to make it the same color, this one, and go to text effects here and try to key track mate key like this. And I'm just going to nest them both like this, and like texture color like that. I don't know if this is pretty good. Alright, this is cool. Okay, so art imitates. Alright, it should be imitates, but I forget the S, so don't roast me, please. I'm just gonna make another effect, and I'm gonna write distortion. And as you can distort, and as you guys can see, you get many effects like this portion. You can make stuff like this. This is the spheres for like fish camera. You can add turbulence to make it like, as I told you, buttery and stuff like that. This is really cool, guys. You can make like stuff like this. This is really cool. So the second effect and the last effect, I'm just going to write anything like this. And with the roughen edges, you can get like more buttery, like this, and as you guys can see, it gets better. And that's it, guys, for today. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Peace.